Let's do a speed test. So this is the download and upload speeds for your NETGEAR Orbi RBK353 AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system. This is the NETGEAR Orbi RBK353 Wi-Fi 6 dual band mesh system. It consists of one router and two satellites. Now it features cutting-edge performance where you can enjoy 4 streams of Wi-Fi 6 and speeds up to 1.8 gigabits per second. It comes with the cybersecurity with NETGEAR Armor, and it has got gigabit speeds through the Ethernet ports, and it is easily set up using the Orbi app. So let's unbox and take a look at its contents. So these are the contents in box. So let's assemble the power plug. We'll use the UK power plug, as that is what is used in our country. So insert it in as shown. Looking at the main router, it comes with a sync button, an Ethernet port, and 3 Ethernet gigabit ports, with the power port and a reset pinhole. The satellite mesh are slightly different. It only has got a sync button and 2 Ethernet ports. So we are going to power up the router and the satellites. So for the main router, we'll plug in the power cable. We'll connect the LAN cable into the Internet port. Plug in the other end of the cable into your modem. Next, following the startup card, we have to download the Orbi app from the Play Store. Let's do that. We'll install the NETGEAR Orbi app. Once the app is installed, let's open the app. We need to accept the terms and conditions. We will allow. You need to create an account if you do not have one, so we'll create a new account. For the turn on Touch ID, we'll select maybe later. Let's set up our Orbi. Let's get started. Let's enable the camera and scan. We'll scan the QR code on the router. So we have done step 1 and step 2. step 3 as well as step 4. So LED is solid white. Let's continue. We'll copy the password and we'll choose the network. We'll select Wi-Fi is connected. Let's personalize our settings. Go to Next. Now for the Wi-Fi SSID, we'll call it Technology Tips. And the network key, we'll put in our own password. Go to Next. We need to create an admin login password. For touch on ID, we'll select maybe later. So you can set up 2 security questions. Let's join Orbi network. We'll copy the password and we'll choose the network. The Wi-Fi is connected. So there's a new firmware available. Let's do an update. The update is successful. Let's go to Next. Let's plug in our satellites, and they are plugged in. And this is the Orbi dashboard. You can see that the internet is online and the 2 satellites are connected. And this is the schematic. So this is how you unbox and set up the NETGEAR Orbi RBK353 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system.